Hi guys! Welcome back to Rhea's Kitchen. Today I am very excited because I'm gonna be baking with
Lucas.
And what are we baking today?
A banana muffins.
Banana muffins.
Hi, my name's Lucas. Today I'll make banana muffins. Welcome to Rhea's Kitchen.
Okay guys, so today we are baking banana muffins. This is a very nice bonding activity that you can do with your kids. Lucas and I always do this recipe and we are very excited to share it with you all. So let's get started. So the ingredients that we need are, what are these?
Bananas.
Bananas and
Flour.
flour. This is
Egg.
egg. This one? Butter.
Butter.
Sugar.
Sugar.
We have salt,
Salt.
baking powder,
Baking powder.
baking soda,
Baking soda.
cinnamon,
Cinnamon.
and chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips.
Okay guys, so let's get started. The first thing that we have to do is preheat our oven to 350 degrees, which we already did, and then start buttering or greasing our pan. This recipe will yield about 24 pieces of mini muffins. You can also do regular size muffins. So Lucas is greasing our pan, and then while he's doing that, I'm gonna be mixing all the dry ingredients. So we have our flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, sugar, and our cinnamon, ground cinnamon.
I'm going to win.
What ground cinnamon? That will give it a little bit of a kick. So, okay, we're just gonna mix this.
Okay. I mix some of this.
And then we'll set this aside.
Guys, I'm all done.
Okay guys, so Lucas is done greasing our muffin tray, mini muffin tray. And now we are going to mash our...
Banana.
Okay, mash the banana. Okay, gently. Then we'll put in our egg. Or sorry, butter. And then our egg. Okay?
Okay.
So the ingredients and the measurements will be listed on the description box below. Okay?
Okay.
So mommy will help you. Okay. And then we have to pour in our dry ingredients. Okay, mommy will pour it slowly and then you can mix it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, mix it. There you go. Mix it. Mix it.
Stir, stir, stir.
So guys, we are just waiting for Lucas to finish mixing our ingredients. And if you guys are interested in our mixing bowl and our whisk, I will leave a description down below where you can get it. I got it from Amazon. So if you guys are interested, you can click the link down below. We are done mixing our ingredients, and now we will just scoop out our mixture to our muffin tray, and then Lucas will put chocolate chips on top of our muffins. So mommy will do this. Okay, and then Lucas will be adding chocolate chips on top of our mini muffins. Okay.
Guys, I'm done.
We're all done and we're gonna put it in the
Oven.
okay. So we already have our oven ready at 350 degrees, and then we will bake it for about 10 to 12 minutes, okay? And then we'll come back.
Guys, I'm ready.
It's ready. Okay guys, our banana muffins are ready. And it is tikiman time.
for
Okay.
the chocolate.
You want the chocolate? Okay, here. You try it. Try it.
Mmm.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
So that's it for our video today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed our baking video with Lucas today. And hopefully you can try this recipe at home very soon. And as always, if you guys like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel for more cooking videos. See you guys again. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.